I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to reach out to brand as a small creator, what to say in your pitch, and also how to start making money even with a small audience. So if you're ready to turn your content into cash, let's get into it. Okay, first things first. Brands love working with small creators. Why? Because smaller influencers, micro influencers, they have higher engagement rate and more authentic connection with their audience. So stop thinking you're too small to start seeing yourself as valuable. But before reaching out to a brand, you need two things. One, you need a clear niche. Brands want creators who align with their target audience. Also, you need a well-structured page. Your content should show that you are actually serious about what you're doing. And I'm talking about on all platforms, because most times when brands reach out to you, they also want you to make content for them on your Instagram or make content for them on your TikTok. So your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube, whatever platform that you're using as your influencing platform, just make sure it looks serious and presentable, like structure it well. Those are the first two things you need to do. So now let's talk about how to find brands that actually want to work with you. This is the crucial part. It's actually easier than you think. I'm going to let you know 3 simple ways you can find brands that actually want to work with you. First things first, you have to go and look for micro influencers that are in the same level as you. Probably influencers that are good as you quality wise, have around the same range of followers or audience that you have, and also have worked with brands before. You see them, they are doing influencing for brands, even if they are not known brands, but you see they are doing influencing. Because if they are in the same range as you and are very similar to you, chances are those brands will also be interested in working with a creator like you also, since they have already worked with somebody like you before. So that's the first thing you do. You look for similar creators as you. Then check your favorite product. Check products you use, because if you already use the brand's product or you already wear the brand's product, then it will be easier to pitch yourself to the brand because you already use their product. So it's more authentic that way. And then next, you can also use influencers platform, because they are now platforms that help micro influencers, link up with brands that are looking for influencers. Also, you can use websites like Upfluence or Aspire IQ to connect with brands. Obviously, most of those websites, you have to sign up and pay some certain fee, but that is like the last result. Okay. Let me tell you the scope me I used to use, especially on YouTube. Yeah. If you go on YouTube and you find small creators that are probably, let's say, under 5,000 subscribers, okay, and you see any of them have worked with any brand before, most times those deals are always collaborated deals, like gifted deals that they'll give them products and they'll make a video for them in return. Some of those deals are also paid deals. But when you check those videos out, go to the description of that video. The email of the brand is going to be there. The WhatsApp number is going to be there. The brand's IG, that social media handle, is going to be there. Even if it's a gifted deal or a paid collaboration, you just know that they work with certain influencers that are of this, level, less than 5,000, less than 500, whatever. Then you take the email and then you craft the perfect pitch to them. Sometimes they reach out to you. That's if your content is really good. They reach out to you, which is great. A lot of brands have reached out to me. I've done a lot of gifted collaboration and I've also done a lot of paid collaboration. So sometimes they reach out to you, but you don't have to wait for them to reach out to you. You can then take those email in the description of those videos and then craft the perfect pitch to them. Also, you go to their Instagram and send the perfect DM. Now I'm going to let you know how to craft the perfect pitch. So now that you have brands in mind, okay, let's talk about the DMs or emails that gets them to say yes. So here's a simple pitch formula that works. I'm going to read it out and I'm also going to put a picture of an example of a mail I have sent to a brand on the screen. You can follow the formula, but do not use the exact words. Just make it unique, make it your own, make it authentic, because brands know when an email is just copy and paste. They know. So make it authentic to them. That's why I say if you're already using the brand's product, it's better. It's a plus for you. You get more chances of, getting a yes from the brand. So now let's get into it. For the email collaboration, we'll have the subject line, which is collaboration opportunity with, you put your name. That's your brand's name. Now, what you're using as your influencing name. Then the body, you introduce yourself and say your name, like what you do and what niche, where you're based. Next, you talk about how much you love the brand. You show genuine interest in their products. It has to be very authentic. Let it come from the heart. Speak from the heart so that they know that, oh, this person uses our product actually. Then next, you tell them what you can offer. Mention your engagement rate or a unique content idea that you can offer them. Then the call to action, ask them if they'll be interested in discussing a collaboration with you. Okay, so there are examples on your screen. Look at them, take a screenshot, and then, figure it out later. Let's use ZKL product, for example. It's a makeup brand, okay? I say, hi, ZKL Cosmetic. I'm Stephanie Mike. I'm a beauty content creator who loves expressing myself with makeup, especially from your brand. I'll mention a particular product of theirs that I use so much or I love. Be very specific so that they know that, oh, this person actually uses this product. Okay. And I love to create content that showcase it to my audience of follower count. You put your follower count there, highly engaged in your target audience, which is makeup enthusiasts or people that love, expressing themselves with makeup. So then you go, I would love to discuss a potential collaboration. Let me know if you're interested. Looking forward to your response. Best regards, then your name. That is very easy, very simple. Just make sure the parts that you need to fill in need to be like uniquely yours. It needs to be authentic. Then you send the email to them. So if a brand responds, congratulations, but do not sell yourself short. Instead of accepting like a free product immediately, first ask them, do you have a budget for influencers collaboration? Because most times they always have a budget. Brands always have the money, but they know micro influencers are looking to build a portfolio. So most times they tell you, oh, it's a gifted deal. Some of them, if you insist, they will pay you. So know when to insist and know when to accept the gift, okay? Because you're also trying to build your portfolio so that you have experience, you have work, you have a CV when you're reaching out to other brands. Oh, I've done this and this for this brand. I have worked with this brand and this brand. That's why I tell people to accept gifted collaboration. But other than that, don't sell yourself short. If you're good at what you do, collect your money. Tell them, oh, my fee is this. Then let them negotiate. Some of them, when you bend their hand, they will then release the fee and also the gifted product. Some will tell you they don't have a budget for this. But if you see that the stuff they are giving you is worth it to you and you're also building a portfolio, then get it. This hair on my head is a gifted collaboration. This is from I Define Wigs. I made a video about it already on my other channel because this is like the second hair I'm getting from them, the second time I'm working with them. So know when to build a relationship with a brand and, and know when to like, no, give me my money, okay? Because you're just starting out, you're a micro influencer and you're trying to also build a portfolio. So it's not only about money, you're also trying to build a CV so that you can get higher brand deals from bigger brands. Next question you need to ask them is, what are the deliverables and expectation in this campaign? Make sure you always ask what the deliverables are so that you don't hear stories that touch the heart that after they send you products, then they start fighting you or having issues and telling you, no, this is what we wanted. You're not doing this. We're going to sue you, this, that. Be clear on the deliverables before you collect the products. Be clear. How many videos do you want? What type of video am I making? How long do I have to make the video? What platforms am I posting on? But do not give them too much. Do not give them all your platform. Make 5 videos for me because sometimes they won't take advantage of you. They'll tell you to make 5 videos for one product, free of charge for that matter, just for a gifted collaboration. But if they're paying you for that, then fine. You can even make 10 videos as long as they're paying your money. But if it's a gifted collaboration, know when to draw the line. They might want to use you, but be clear on your deliverables. Just be sure to know what you are delivering to them. How many videos are you making for them? What kind of content are you making for them? Be clear on that before you collect the product. Always remember, you bring value. Even if you're just starting out, your content is still work and you should be compensated fairly. A lot of people are making money from micro influencing, so why can't you? So there you have it, guys, your step-by-step guide to reaching out to brands as a small creator. Do it now. Go and search for the brands you like, get their email and craft that email. Send as many as you can to as many brands. One will reply you. I promise you. Okay? Check out your fellow YouTubers, like I said. Anyone that has worked with a brand, get to the description, get their email and send that email. Send it. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share to somebody that needs to know how to reach out to a brand as a small creator, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a single video. Drop a comment if you want a free pitch template. Don't forget to subscribe for more creator tips, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.